Hello, this video is going to walk you through removing the background out of a signature file, or really any other type of file. So the first thing I've done is I have a Word document here with an image just kind of pasted into the document. This could be a PDF or a Word document, whatever it might be. So the first thing I want to do is just to click on the image and copy it. Now, if I'm not able to clip on it, I could also go in and create a screenshot by using the snipping tool. And then I copy that image there. I'm now going to go into Paint.net. Now, if I don't have any image up right now, I'm going to do Control N, which is to create a new, and it's actually going to take the exact dimensions of that image. I can now paste it in, and there it is. First thing I want to do is remove that background. I'm going to click on this magic wand over here. I'm going to click there. Now up here, the tolerance level is what we're really going to be focusing on. So I'm going to click on this background image color, and you can see that as I increase the tolerance, it kind of covers more and more. The lower the tolerance, the more color is left over. So you can kind of play with that a bit. I'm going to go with that 31%. Now that that's highlighted, I'm going to hit the delete key, and it's going to remove all of that white background. The next step is to go into these smaller spaces and just click and delete. You'll notice if we zoom in, you can see a bit of that background color still left over. Now, I don't actually need this part here, so I'm going to grab the eraser tool here. And over here, I can increase the amount of the size or number of pixels or the brush width. This hardness here, if I increase that to 100%, it's going to easily just kind of delete it. You can see that hard, they call it the hardness is that hard edge. If I were to remove that, it's a bit more of a soft removal. Let's bring that back up nice and high. I want to leave most of that tail. So then I would make a smaller, say like bring that down to 10. Zoom in a little closer. I could even remove that if I wanted to get down to a smaller pixel size, down to a 2, and delete individual pixels. I'm going to zoom back out, take a look at that image, and that's pretty clear. So then the last step is going to be, I'm going to take this square tool here, highlight just the signature itself, and I'm going to hold down Control-Shift-X, which is the same as crop to selection, Control-Shift-X. So I've got this selected. I'm going to go Control-Shift-X. There's my image. I'm now going to save it. Now I want to save it as a PNG because that leaves it with a transparent background. So I'm just going to call it a signature. Hit save. Hit OK. And now when I paste that into another document, so if I were to go back into this Word document and go to Insert Picture, select the picture called Signature. There we go. And you'll notice that as I move that around in front of text, it has a transparent background. Thank you very much.